So Discord announced recently that they will begin requiring global age verification next month, asking users to complete a facial scan or submit a government ID to access full features. Now, after this announcement, no one was happy about this, and there were some concerns regarding the verification data and privacy related concerns. But now in this new announcement, Discord has clarified that most users will not need to complete a face scan or upload a government ID under the new upcoming age verification system. Now, in the recent update, the company said that vast majority of people can continue using Discord as they do now without being asked to confirm their age. Now, the system will rely mainly on an age prediction system that uses information it already has. This includes account details, device data, activity history, and broader users patterns across communities. For many users, the system will be enough to estimate their age without any extra steps. However, age verification will still apply in certain cases. Users must be adults to access age-restricted servers and channels or to change specific safety settings. Now, this Discord system cannot clearly determine whether someone is an adult. That user may be asked to verify their age through a video selfie or by submitting a government ID. Those who are identified as under 18 or who do not verify as adults will automatically receive a teen-appropriate version of Discord. This includes some restrictions such as being blocked from age-restricted content and servers. Now, from the official announcement, they announced that we have seen some questions about our age assurance update and we want to share more clarity. We know how important this changes is to our community, and here is what we know. Discord is not requiring everyone to complete a face scan or upload an ID to use Discord. The vast majority of people can continue using Discord exactly as they do today without ever being asked to confirm their age. You need to be an adult to access age-restricted experiences such as age-restricted servers and channels or to modify certain safety settings. So yeah, this is the official announcement. Discord's move follows a wider trend in the tech industry. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, OpenAI, and Anthropic already started using AI tools to estimate users' age, as government is also pushing for stronger online safety. The announcement initially caused concern among some Discord users, but now after this update, it looks like they are going to use AI to predict your age. So yeah, the new age verification will not be required for most users, but you have to verify if needed. Thanks for watching. See you later.